mean, si Max Kumano, sabi niya, nagpaalam daw siya kay Miss Maria. Kasi as respect, ano po yung reaction niyo na?
Well, I don't know that. Nakita ko na lang din in one of the articles. Hindi rin naman naikwento sa akin ni Marian. But, well, kung ano man yun, it's a sweet gesture. I mean, I know they're friends. Max is a very good friend. We are together in PPL Entertainment. Yun yung aming management company. Yung isa sa unang shows niya, kasama ko siya sa Pahiram ng Sandali. And pagmula nun, naging magkaibigan talaga kami. And lalo na ngayon, di ba, magkasama kami. Kasama rin kami sa Only Way Now On. So nakita ko yung kanyang growth as an actress, as an artist. I'm just so proud of her. In fact, alam ko mas close pa nga sila ni Marian kaysa sa amin. Kaya nakakatawa that they have that kind of friendship. So I think that's so sweet.
So, kanina yung sabi mo na, sa pagpili ng love interest mo, gusto pa niyo ba yung Maria?
No. It's of course decision of the productions. And syempre, sinasabi rin sa amin, di ba? Sa amin nila director. And perfect talaga. Perfect choice talaga si Max para gampanan si
Pero kung ayaw mo ng Maria, may ganun na pa siya.
Kasi syempre, it should be a creative decision. Decision din naman.
Sir Dong.
Speaking of family, sa Sunday Mother's Day, what's your message to Maria?
Oh, sa kanya. Alam mo, para sa kanya. I always say that every day should be Mother's Day. Every day should be Mother's Day. Pero syempre, maganda lang na may ganung celebration because I also get to celebrate it with my mom. Together with her. And together also with the mothers in Marian's life. Yung kanyang lola, yung mami niya, yung aking mother-in-law. So, ang saya lang makita in one place, also in one frame. That's why we always take pictures. Isipin mo, mami ko, siya, lola niya, tapos si mami niya, tapos yung tita ko, Louie. So, parati yan, pag Mother's Day, magkakasama natin.
Sir Dong, napagod na ba ni Miss Maria din?
Oo, napagod niya.
Ano reaction niya?
Napagod din siya, sabi mo, wow, kahit ako yung character, parang grabe yung parang nafe-feel niya yung napagod ng characters dun sa screen. So, natuwa siya.
And then, sila halos ginagamit. Conscious ka sa ganun, do you maximize your sense of humor? Paano, anong thoughts mo doon?
It's not something that I would brag about. There are things that I cannot do. I will admit, I'm 44. But there are things that I'm still excited to do. One thing is for sure, yung stat double okay yung aming samahan dahil minsan kapag talaga minsan nga kaya hindi kailangan nga siya. Why? Because of course it also gives jobs to other people. But more so, may mga times na kailangan din talaga siya, especially when we're doing multiple units. So kakailanganin talaga siya. But hindi naman centered sa action talaga yun. That's why hindi big deal din para sa akin yun. Ako ba yung nagsistance? Kasi yung action naman, it may be one element of the show. Yung spectacle is something that we are proud of. Pero ito talaga yung action na may puso. So mas nakafocus talaga kami dito sa core ng show, sa puso ng show. And para sa akin, ito yung isang action na may puso, focusing on a modern family, focusing on a father-son relationship, a father-daughter relationship, and the many other relationships within the whole universe of Barangay Tabanglupa.
Sa mga action scenes po you, sir, you would prefer po ba na kayo talaga yung gumagawa as much as possible?
Wala naman kasing komplikado eh. So, hindi namin masyado binibigyan ng highlight and diin yung spectacle way. May mga dito, tatanod ako doon. Kasi ang talagang focus namin ay yung puso ng kwento. Meron din mga ganun. Basta naman kapag hindi na siya ganun ka-safe. Sabi ko nga, medyo iba na yung natin. Medyo stretching muna.
Gusto ko lang, sir,
Very active sa actor and you take pains in posting mga updates. Ano talaga yung goal mo for actor? Ano yung wish mo? And ano yung ginagawa mo currently for the guild?
Oh, goal. Well, ang goal namin is for us to build a community of empowered actors. So, may maraming ibig sabihin yun. Sinabi mong empowered actor, ay ikaw ay isang proud professional performer because we want to be our best selves whenever we get into projects, kapag may ginagawa kami. That's why we provide programs for our members para maging ganun kami. Like educational programs, we strengthen the welfare programs, something na, medyo yung pag sinabing kalusugan, yun yung isa sa napababayaan natin, di ba, being in the industry as freelance workers. So yun yung isa sa mga talaga sinisiguro organization na yun. More importantly, it's the fact that you belong to a certain community na parang, uy, lahat dito magtutulungan lahat dito kapag meron tayong kailangan, or gusto, may hinanaing, may kahit naman, kahit for fun man lang, nandito kami para sa isa't isa. At I think yun yung isa sa pinaka-core essence and belonging to an organization.